and selling. What is going on?
These markets have lagged. Last year they were down almost 30% compared to developed markets. Now one reason they're lagging is because the developed markets are doing better in terms of the economy, and these markets are lagging a little bit. As a result, the central banks, the Federal Reserve, the ECB, have indicated they're going to pull back on the stimulus that they've been providing. And this loss of stimulus is hurting these markets. It kept the markets up, people were reaching for yield, and they went into emerging markets to get yield. But now that the economies have turned, they're kind of coming back, the capital is coming back.
But why now? Because we know that the central banks were talking about tapering for a while, and the Fed actually took some action. What sort of kicked this off into high gear, I guess?
It's hard to tell what the short-term catalyst might be. It could be the unrest, Ukraine, Argentina, Thailand, Turkey, they've seen some unrest. Longer-term trends also kind of have been against the emerging markets. I mean, commodity prices have been weakening, and those have hurt the exporters like Russia, Brazil, South Africa. So a number of events that are going on right now, number of cross currents.
Do you have a sense, and I know it's hard to call this, but when this stops, I mean, where are we close to bottoming out at all, or is it too hard to tell?
There's a lot of cross currents right now. It's very hard to say. Short term, expect more volatility, but I think they're setting up for a turnaround in probably the second half of the year, I would say.